It's good, YouTube. In this video, we'll be taking a look at how to turn off vibrate for WhatsApp messages on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. This will work for the S26 Ultra, S26, and the S26 Plus as well. If you like this kind of content or find this kind of content helpful, leave a message down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching. So if you want to change the settings for vibrate on your WhatsApp messages on your S26 device, thankfully it's pretty easy to do so. First thing you want to do is actually jump into your settings. Once you're in your settings, you want to scroll down and you want to look for notifications, and then from there what you want to do is hit notifications. From there what you want to do is look for app notifications, and then you want to hit app notifications. And then what you want to do is scroll down and look for WhatsApp, and then there you want to hit WhatsApp, and then you want to hit look for notification categories. And then you want to look for message notifications. And then from there, what you want to do is scroll down and you want to look for vibrate, and you want to turn on or off vibrate. And there you have it, everyone. Just a quick tip on how to turn off vibration for WhatsApp messages on the Samsung Galaxy S26 series of phones. If you like this kind of content or find this kind of content helpful, leave a message down below. Don't forget to subscribe. And thanks for watching.